In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 1 by 200. See that 1 is less than 200. That is why we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And again see that 10 is less than 200. That is why we will again borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a 0 here. Now again see that this 100 is also less than 200. That is why we will again borrow 1 0, and for that we will again put a 0 here. And now we know that 200 times 5 is equal to 1000. If we subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 1 divided by 200 is equal to 0.005, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.